how do you say silver and gold in Spanish? The words for silver and gold in Spanish are plateado, plateado for silver, and dorado, dorado for gold. For example, ella lleva un collar dorado. Ella lleva un collar dorado. She's wearing a gold necklace. Prefiero los anillos plateados. Prefiero los anillos plateados. I prefer silver rings. Now, the words dorado and plateado literally mean gold-coloured and silver-coloured. If you want to talk about the actual materials, then you say oro, oro for gold, and plata, plata for silver. So that's when you're referring to the actual metals, oro and plata. For example, el trofeo es de oro. El trofeo es de oro. The trophy is made of gold. So it's not just gold-coloured, it's made of the metal gold. Es un reloj de plata. Es un reloj de plata. It's a silver watch. It's a watch made of silver. So that's if you're talking about the actual materials. Compré unos zapatos dorados para la fiesta. Compré unos zapatos dorados para la fiesta. I bought some gold shoes for the party. So that means shoes that are the colour gold. So if you want to say silver and gold in Spanish, you say plateado for silver and dorado for gold. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.